I was listening to a song from Sarah McLachlan, and the name of the song is An Ordinary Miracle. Life is an amazing thing, but we never bother to really think deep into it and consider them as miracles. It says that we don't have to teach a seed to grow. We don't have to ask the clouds to rain down. We don't have to teach the sun to shine and all. So everything that's happening in our lives, this is a miracle because we can't do things so much as to how the nature is doing. We culminate together to a point of a solution or an answer that it's natural, but the natural is miracle. So I just wanted to go with another story. Like I always associate with numbers. I think we always say seven is a heavenly number. And so when we talk about seven, I always put nitrogen as a heavenly gas because heaven and nitrogen, they rhyme. And then when we say heaven and nitrogen, since they rhyme, we say nitrogen is a heavenly gas. And we don't always have to think what is the atomic number of nitrogen because nitrogen is a heavenly gas and so it is number seven. So also we know that every structure, a geometrical structure, is having different shapes and we name them as triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagon, hexagon and all. But why October month is the 10th month when octopus have 8 legs and octagons have 8 sides? So we need to relate oxygen to be the 8th atom, but there's a small confusion with the 10th month, which is the October. This is October month, and we are always writing as 10th month. But the legend goes on to say there were 2 emperors of the so-called Roman emperors. Julius Caesar, who was born in the month of July, says, my month should be named in my name, after my name. It should have 31 days. His successor, Augustus Caesar, did the same thing. If Julius Caesar could do it, I should also do it. So Augustus Caesar says, even my month should be 31 days and it should be named after me. So these 2 months, July and August, which are actually the consecutive months, but they're having both 31 days, are the culprits, let's say, as to why October has to be pushed back. So October is actually the 8th month originally, because every octagon, octopus, anything that is an octa should have something 8. But if we just look into the creation of the universe and everything, there's something about 8, because 8 we call it as the magic number. It is a magic number. It is a complete number. It is an infinite number because when you draw 8, you can never ever stop, outlining thing, where to begin, where to end. There's no proper rule. We can just write as much as we want and as we want. So this is it. Let us remember that nitrogen is number 7, and because this is a heavenly gas, and oxygen is number 8 because it is the octa that counts the number. And these 2 elements also will help us. But who comes before that? A very, very important number 6. We have finished with number 5. Now number 6 is nothing but a carbon atom. Carbon is amazing atom again. It exists in many different forms. It is called as a diamond. It is called as coal. It is also called as Buckminster's fullerene. And so depending, and also it is called as a graphite. See, the properties are all different. We're going to go deep into it. These are mysterious things. If you want to know the mystery, if you really want to ignite your mind by knowing at this little things which doesn't seems to be ordinary, but which is about miracles. Join with me every day. Thank you for listening to me.